Yonkers faced winter since late January with Fern and the blizzard of 2026, totaling 40 inches this season. The city faced two questions: how well it performed and whether lessons from Fern were applied before the blizzard. Results varied by street. Main roads cleared quickly. Yonkers has 450 dead-end streets that often lag, with Warburton Avenue cleared late. The DPW relied on outside contractors. Residents complained of unplowed side streets and snow piles, with Nextdoor posts reflecting frustration. For the February blizzard, officials declared a state of emergency, activated snow routes, opened parking lots, and ran long shifts, but ground reality remained inconsistent. Commissioner Thomas Meier argued January's extreme cold made dry, powdery snow hard to manage, and communications and enforcement needed improvement. Mayor Spano praised overall performance. NYC contrasted. Sanitation deployed 1,400 shovelers and geotagged progress. Yonkers did not replicate that. Ultimately, experiences vary. Spring will reveal pothole fallout.